Good morning, guys. Good to have you back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change of a Renault Trafic. It's a 2018 model. We changed the oil and the oil filter and some little stuff, and I'm going to show you how you can reset that on the instrument cluster for yourself. Before we start, our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. If you don't like my videos, let me know why you don't like my videos so I can improve myself to help each other. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Let's start with this one. First of all, we have to turn the ignition on or press the ignition on to the second position. The second position means that all the lights must go on. Like this. Once here, there is a thumbstick over here, this one, and it has two buttons over here, the front, the upper, and this button. And with the button, we have to use this button. You can go through the menu by pressing that button and looking over here, and then we have to find this area, surface intervals. Once you have reached this menu, you have to press the button up. Yes, this button. Keep pressing that till this menu changes to surface interval with kilometers on it, like this. Once you have this, you can let go this button and press again. So let go and press again and keep pressing that till this indicator over here starts blinking and stops blinking. Once it stops blinking, you can let go the button on the right and the surface indicator has been reset to a new oil change, about 40,000 kilometers. That was it for today for this car. I hope you enjoyed our videos. I have more than 200 videos on my channel. Take a look if you'd like. And hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe. Bye bye.